What is going on today, YouTube? Today is Motivational Saturday, and today I want to talk to you about how to stick to your goals. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make daily investment videos trying to teach you guys stuff I wish I knew when I first started. This could end up, you can learn from my mistakes. I share what I do every week, and hey, if anything else, you can learn from what I did wrong and fix it yourself. But anyways, for today, I want to talk to you about sticking to your goals. I think the main cause to stick to your goals, you need to make yourself a reason that is bigger than the goal you have, and that's how you stick to it. Make a reason that's bigger than everything else, that trumps everything else, even the goals for itself. Maybe you're doing it for your friends. Maybe you're doing it for your family. Make that reason. Make that reason the reason that drives you. And remember why you started every single time you go to do it. Every time you feel a little down, you tend to lose interest, you tend to lose focus. Think of why you started. If your reason for starting doing something is big enough, it'll give you the self-motivation to keep on going. Sometimes if you just set goals and you have no reason backing up why you're doing it, it's harder to stick to. But if you have a reason, you're doing it for anyone. If you're doing it for someone, if you're doing it to prove a point, if you're doing it to live a better life, this makes it a lot easier to stick to it. And what I mean is, don't just make your reason I want to have $1 million. That's not going to keep you motivated. That's not a real reason why you want to be successful or want to do something. You need to figure out what is actually important to you in your life at this time. And that, wake up every day and remember to focus on that. Even write it down. Write it down so you'll see it every single day. Write down that reason, so you're reminded every day when you go to do something. Or put it in a place that you usually get distracted. Say you find yourself watching TV too much instead of focusing on what you really want to do. Put a sticky note on your remote control or on your television that reminds you of the reason you're trying to do something, accomplish something in your life. It's a lot easier to stick to. That reason will help keep you motivated. Just put it somewhere that you'll be reminded. Anytime you start to procrastinate and go to do something else, anytime you find yourself doing something that's not helping you achieve your goal, have something placed right there that reminds you to get back on track. Below that, mark down your reason. Say, to have my family live a better life, to have my friends live a better life. That is the reason that's going to keep you going. Put that sticky note wherever it is that you find yourself getting distracted, run down, or in bad times. And trust me, if that reason is strong enough, you will push through. You will push through all your procrastination. You will push through everything that's stopping you from getting to where you want to be. You'll start finding more confidence. You'll start finding more self-fulfillment. Keep track of your own progress. Do not try to relate yourself to other people around or other people that are doing the same thing you want to do. Look at your own progress. See how you are getting better each and every day. And as long as you see yourself getting better each and every day, that's all you have to worry about. Remember, it's not how fast you get something done. It's the fact that you get it done. Stick to it. Stick to this you're in it for the long run. You're not in it for the short term. You're not in it if you're in it for the short term, you're better off winning the lottery. And you guys know the odds of that. Not a lot of people win the lottery. And trust me, if you stick to it, keep yourself motivated, keep yourself on track because of that reason you started. It's easier to stick to, and you'll get it done. So if this video helped you in any way, leave a like, leave a comment below if you got any questions, share it to someone else that could use it. And I will see you guys tomorrow with my stock market review of the week. If you're into that, go check it out.